Hi, my name is Eminem. Music is a reflection of self. Eminem. Respect you got to give me. I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause what I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. He wrote down, the whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over. Let's go keep on from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this group like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lick a single on it. I found my mix, you gon' hear my voice. Till you're sick of it, you ain't gonna have a choice. If I gotta scream till I have half a lung, if I have half a chance, I'll grab them, killing them. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, and problem with nothing's bothering. Killing them. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, you hate it, but you know respect you got to give it. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, and problem with nothing's bothering. Killing them. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, you hate it, but you know respect you got to give it.
This is supposed to be hip-hop. I'd rather be pushing them flip-flop. Across over the country like Kid Rock. I can't sing with country singers, beefing over some guitar. And this nigga cracking, it's on it poppin'. It's full of stacking, this bitch, it ain't no stopping. I'm really back a Latin. What you waiting for? The wait is over, say no more. Tryna play the respect with hands. That's what you eat, sleep, piss and shit. Live free, your whole existence just consists of this. Refuse to quit, fuse is lit, can't defuse the wick. I don't do this music shit, I lose my shit. Fuck the rule, man, I used to risk it all. Now I got too much to lose, I've been eating long enough. Man, my stomach should be full. I just ain't lick the plate, my buffet. Lucky me, fuck you, great. It goes. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, and problem with me. Nothing's bothering. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, you hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, and problem with me. Nothing's bothering. It's not a Finny, too fucking Biggie, you hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. Verse starts, I eat it at MC's heart. What is he thinking? I'm not to go against me, smart, and it's absurd how people hang on every word. I probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot is forever reserved. If I ever leave Earth, that would be the death of me first. Cause in my heart of hearts, I know nothing could ever be worse. That's why I'm clever when I put together every verse. I'm sporadic, I act like I'm an addict. I rap like I'm addicted to smack like I'm Kim Adams. But I don't wanna go forth and back in constant battles. The fact is I would rather sit back and bomb some rappers. So this is like a full-blown attack. I'm launching at him. The track is on some battle and rap, so want some static. Cause I don't really think that the fact that I'm slim matters. A black and platinum status is whack if I'm not the baddest. Killing hip-hop pop, the criminal cop killing. Feel it or not, Tupac is enough. Killing hip-hop pop, the criminal cop killing. Feel it or not, Tupac killing hip-hop pop, the criminal cop killing. Feel it or not, Tupac is enough. Killing hip-hop pop, the criminal cop killing. Feel it or not, Tupac It goes respect you got to give Eminem.
These are days for rejoicing.
You will never overcome getting
Oh, you just raps it out, I maps it out strategically. Timing is everything, and this seems to be the key to my success. It's worked for me repeatedly. Let them get you first and respond immediately. If the game, this isn't the same as changing. The dreams quitting, change quitting now. This is gangster, just saying the same to the same. And it's fake and it's making me so wrong. We're just making them back. When you talk about I just tell my brother, nigga, they do it too. Somebody do my mama. I'm not a human, I'm a supersonic, robotic, suicidal Unabomber. You think I'm the new summer? Press I'm the new Madonna. Jeffrey Dahmer, let me get this legacy to carry on. A lot of talking rumors on us, who's the hottest to be honest.
¿Sí? ¿Cómo estás, Pancho?
¿Y tú?
¿Ves bien?
Y siempre.
Mucho bueno. Lanzan más que Sebastián.
It gladdens me to know that Odin prepares for a feast. This hero that comes into Valhalla does not lament his death. The Aesir will welcome me. My death comes without apology, and I welcome the Valkyries to summon me home.
In the place, everybody getting rainy. Punks better cup your lady, can't nobody tame me. Blame me, put people in the running yacht rainy. Ladies used to hate me, now they coming out they panties. Girls on the job shack, pocket full of socks, yeah. Got a fat notch, yeah. Something don't squat, yeah. Down, down for the block, yeah. Tryna be hot but you flat, wanna be shot to the top but you not. Wow. I ain't never seen so much green than when I seen when my team hit the scene. It must be a dream. Hit the stage, everybody holler, getting bold with the shows for a bigger dollar. Father, I don't wanna leave nobody too blessed, cause they greedy in the middle of what I do best. You finna see me in the TV with a few guests. We bout to bubble, baby, get your waterproof vest.
In the back, I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting the clips, now they all wanna sue me. So fuck them all in the back, I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting the clips, now they all
Danielovic. Oye, ¿cómo eso que juega mejor español sin coach? Sí.
Lo acaba de comentarse de acá.
Tiene un tremendo cartel.
cut up so they remember me. Soak them in Hennessy so they relatives know it's me. You can bet your last dollar I'll dick them and holler. Riding these hoochies like they some heavy ass Chevy and Impala. Jump up and get your ass shot up. From a profit, pick my Glock up. I'm busting with specificity. Popping, nobody got 'em. Holler, outlaw riders, mash up on the gas pedal. Vacate the sink out the cash and stash the pepper. Metal true to the game, I claim. Outlaw riders who give a fuck what they try.
I'm over behind the cannon, picture me sticking niggas, but ain't watching tape. Kick back, little nigga, and watch the game.
His fear will welcome me. Like that goes without apology. And I welcome the vocalist to summon me home.
When I be thugging till I die. When I be thugging till I die. When I be thugging till I never faded. Now that we made it, my adversaries is playing. Hold a club in the back, I'm smoking bird in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trick, cause bitch I love to scrap. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting to chicks, now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.
So these kids know that I'm talking to them. Give it back to these damn tricks and sock it to them. I'm like a thug with a little bit of pop influence. I spew it and look how I got you bitches rocking to it. You motherfuckers can never do it like I can do it. Don't even try to look stupid, do not pursue it. Don't ever in your life try to knock the truest. I spit the illest shit ever been dropped into it. So ticky tock, listen to the sound, 6 on the clock. Listen to the sound of Cam and your legs on the cop. Listen to the sound of me spilling my heart through this pen. Motherfuckers know that I'll never be marshal again. Full of controversy until I retire my jersey. Till the fire inside dies and expires at 30. And Lord have mercy on any more of these rappers adverse me and put a curse on authorities in the face of adversity.
When I be thugging till I die. When I be thugging till I die. When I be thugging till I never faded. Now that we made it, my adversaries is playing. Hold a club in the back, I'm smoking bird in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trick, cause bitch I love to scrap. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting to chicks, now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.
Till I graduated to one and got the rap of a villain, the weapon concealing. Took the image of a thug, captured a villain. I'm a lit fuse, anything I do, bitch, it's news. Pistol whipping, motherfucking bouncer 6'2". Who needs bullets? As soon as I pull it, you sweat bullets. An excellent method to get rid of the next bully. They feel it's part of your obligation to fulfill. When they see you on the streets, face to face, and you're for real. The confrontation ain't no conversation. If you feel you're in violation, any hesitation to get you killed. If you feel it, kill it. If you conceal it, reveal it. Being reasonable, the league is full of bullets. Pull it, squeeze it till it's empty. Tempt me, push me, pussies. I need a good reason to give this trigger a good squeeze. I'm a soldier.
I'm ready, I'm ready. I'm ready, I'm ready. I'm ready, I'm ready. People of Katika, we have a great sacrifice. This is Agatha.
Journey through my mind's eye. You cross the game, don't explain, nigga, time to die. Say goodbye, watch my eyes when I pull the trigger. So right before you die, you bow before a bigger nigga. Now dry your eyes, you was heartless on your hits. Niggas love to scream peace after they saw some shit. Pay attention, here's a word to those that rob me. I murder you, then I run a train on my beef. Don't fuck with me, heard the Fuji was trying to do me. Look, bitch, I cut your face, this ain't no motherfucking movie. Then we watch the other two die slow. Castrated, entertaining at my motherfucking sideshow. Bam, set my plan in mode. Time to exterminate my foes, I can't stand you hoes. Now label this my fucking get trick shot. My lyrics running all you cowards out of hip hop. When we ride on our enemies.
People of Katika, we have a great sacrifice. This is Lakitar. Katika Trima Nine. That voice is working. Look at my eyes and I'm born. It's like driving. Katika Trima Nine. Katika Trima Nine. Katika Trima Nine. Katika Trima Nine.
Now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us.
This is the story of a warrior, I know you know it. True warriors, go ahead and make some noise. It ain't healthy to be making niggas paranoid. Hit your corner with my weapon, I don't need my boys. I'm doing 120 in the fast lane. Kick back, just relax, let me do my thing. Don't give a fuck about you, suckers gotta maintain.
Who wants to be king?
In this rap game,
All hail you, king.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
And around that sea are many wonderful people. Places and towns.
I want to go there. With me. In the name of Odin.
now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us. In the name of Odin.
Now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us.
It's like a throne that he don't even own. He won't sit down, give him a crown, he just throws it around. It's like a joke, he's like a king, but he don't rule a thing. He don't want the diamonds, want the gold, don't want the jewelry. He don't want the ring, don't want the loot, he's in it for the sport. Running circles round his competition on the court. He appreciates your support, but he ain't begging for it. And you can love it, you can hate it, but you can't ignore it. You can't be that ignorant, or you can try to sell him short. But you can't fuck with his last joint or the one before it. And he was born to raise hell like them country boys. And if I'm frontin', then you better come confront me for it.
We've all come to understand how a young farmer from Norway risked his life to explore the world. We have achieved my father's dream. We have the legal right to the land and to farm. With me, in the name of Odin.
Now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us. In the name of Odin.
Now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us.
This is the story of a warrior, I know you know it. True warriors, go ahead and make some noise. It ain't healthy to be making niggas paranoid. Hit your corner with my weapon, I don't need my boys. I'm doing 120 in the fast lane. Kick back, just relax, let me do my thing. Don't give a fuck about you, suckers gotta maintain.
Who wants to be king?
In this rap game,
All hail you, king.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
A civil war can only bring strife. With me, in the name of Odin.
now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us. In the name of Odin.
Now right now is dangerous near.
In the name of my father, nothing can stop us. on my head. Perhaps I'm just a crazy old fool after all. The gods are not here. They're not here. What's on my head? Perhaps I'm just a crazy old fool after all. The gods are not here. They're not here. What's on my head? Perhaps I'm just a crazy old fool after all. They're not here.
Locked in the room, spaced out like a love pop in this room. Got lit views, now I gotta make a decision and I don't really know what option to choose. I'm a big wreck, did you not get the news? I made $1 million for the not getting views. Had a minute to get right for the truth. Maybe I should've never went and dropped out of school. It's all that bad, girl, get your up. But I got a life that I ain't too sure. Swagger looking just like Ace Ventura. Can't look at myself, I might break this mirror. Yeah, I'm paranoid. I panic over every little scary noise. See, when I go to pick up the phone and tell friends if I they won't answer cause they're annoyed, I'm like, I put a porn on one cause my life ain't awesome, man. Jack off, go to sleep, wake up, jack off, yeah. To repeat the cycle, can't go to sleep unless I leave the lights on. You don't know how many fucking demons I know. Maybe I should go and tell her read the Bible. I don't even like rap, only thing I wanted was just to be cool. Hang out with a group of friends, it's all mysteries like I'm Scooby-Doo. But I got way more than I bargained for. You can't chill when your heart is sore. I'm so mad I can start a war, the fuck out to me, man. I don't even know who I are no more.
Perhaps I'm just a crazy old fool after all. The gods are not here. They're not here. What's on my head? Perhaps I'm just a crazy old fool after all. They're not here.
I done did a lot of things in my day, I admit it, I don't take back what I say. If I said it, then I meant it. All my life I won a Grammy, but I probably never get it. I ain't never had no trophy or no motherfucking ribbon. Fuck the system, I'm that nigga, bend the law, cut the rules. I'm about to risk it all, I ain't got too much to lose. Y'all been eating long enough, it's my turn to cut the food. Pass the plate, with my drink, this my day. Lucky you, fuck you too. Then I'm actually fucking this time. Get out the kitchen, I told him the oven is mine. I do not fuck with you guys, if I don't care you just know you gon' suffer this time. I ain't no gangster, but I got some bangers, some chains and some blazing, a couple of nines. Choppers and jimmies, a punch through your country. My tornadoes are tripping, put nothing but lies. Said ain't love for the other side of anyone who ever wants smoke. When I die, I'm going out as the underdog who never lost hope. Living the wrong cab, down the wrong path, nigga, wrong way, wrong road. Snakes in the grass, trying to slip it fast. I just bought a fucking lawnmower.
I'm just a crazy old fool after all. The gods are not here. They're not here. What's on my head? Perhaps I'm just a crazy old fool after all. They're not here.
Well, I got news for you. My school's a loose. This rap thing here's what I used to do. Now I'm moving to Australia. When I go ghost, I'ma get a house on the go coast, yelling YOLO on the couch, feeling so dope, living no clothes, really found, never don't know. I was trying to take around like
Some niggas been the law, fuck the rule. Man, I used to risk it all. Now I got too much to lose. I've been eating long enough. Man, my stomach should be full. I just ate, lick the plate. My folks say, lucky me, fuck you, gay.
but I'm losing my mind. Y'all assume that I'm cool when I rhyme. I'm trying to be Marcus and Hockey, but I get depressed when the two intertwine. Truthfully, I'm not the man that I used to be. Nobody cares who I used to be. Talk too, so I lose to me. I'm cut bad and the blues is deep. Is there anything you can do for me?
It's inevitable, they hit a button to press it, whatever the pull to give it a stack though. And if I paid attention, I'm probably making it bigger, but you've been taking your dick to a fucking back hole. Another piece of a minute, got me thinking of finishing everything with a seed of minute, and reaping the benefits. I'm a seed of the quilligan, and the thinking about it, evil intent of another beat of a killigan, another beat of a killigan.
I'm just a crazy old fool after all. The gods are not here. They're not here. I'm just a crazy old fool after all. They're not here.
¿Qué estás jugando?
Independencia con Boris.
¿Tú vas por?
Independencia. La verdad que por Boris es de Nogales.
Sí, porque se quedó allá.
La Independencia juega en mi sobrino.
Pero ahí están jugando el paso a los 4 equipos que pasan en el regional. Yo algo estuve cachando,
La eliminatoria de los clubes campeones.
Sí.
Campeonato regional de clubes.
You see it, you get it, to do shit whenever you hear some shit. Can't
Nadal está jugando ahora Chile con Minero. Minero de Natale.
Yo no los cacho, pero algo caché que están ahí bien full.
Minero.
the world's over. It's all up to you. Blame the Korean. Fuck that. I'll be a
This
fucking
kind of
nigga too.
music, use it and you get amped to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rooms with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid. Copycat to the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it. Then spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you'll get me.
Ahí se tenía previo al partido. Claro.
Que se queden gallegos, ¿no? Sí, sí, sí.
Que se quede lavando la ropa.
Sí, nada. O que venga para coger agua, pues.
Bien, César.